Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the corner to corner granny stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the double crochet stitch, and the triple crochet stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. So like the regular corner to corner stitch, you are going to be working increase rows, then you will be working decrease rows, and ultimately it will make a square. So to begin, I have already made 4 chains on my hook here. You will then work 3 double crochet into the farthest chain from your hook. You will then work a triple crochet into that same chain. And that is going to be your first row. So you have the chains over here, the 3 double crochet, and then a triple crochet. You are then going to chain 3, turn your work. So now we're looking at the back of your work. You're going to make 3 double crochet into this space right here between the triple crochet and the 3 double crochet you made. You're going to make 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. You're going to skip over these previous 3 double crochet. You're going to be working into the space between those chains and those 3 double crochet right here. You're going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. You are then going to make a triple crochet into that same space. So this is what it will look like so far. You have those chains at the beginning of your row, the 3 double crochet into this space. You have a space now right here that you can see has formed since we skipped over these. Then you have the 3 double crochet you worked into this space, and then you have a triple crochet. Now you can see how the chains at the beginning of your row and the triple crochet you make at the end are forming that space in between that you're actually going to be working into. I'm going to make my next row. You will chain 3. Any increase row is going to start with the chain 3. You're going to work 3 double crochet into this space right here. So 1, 2, 3. You're going to skip over any previous 3 double crochet. You're going to be working into the space next to it. You're going to work 3, 1, 2, 3. And for however big or long your rows get, you will always work 3 double crochet into any space that is made. So you can see that now we have a space here. We're going to have a space here because we're going to skip over these. So it is going to start looking just like a regular granny stripe stitch. So we have now got to the last one. You're going to skip over these 3. You're going to work into the space between these previous chains and these 3. You're going to work 3 double crochet. You're then going to work a triple crochet in that same space. That's how that row is looking. And then you would repeat this row for however long you want to increase your square. I'm going to go ahead and increase 2 more rows just so I have a decent enough big square for this tutorial to then start showing you the decreases. Now I'm going to start on my decrease rows. You're going to start by making 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to skip over this space right here that we were previously working into to make our increases. You're going to skip over that completely. You're only going to be working into this next open space. You're going to make 3 double crochet like we were previously doing. You're going to continue working into the open spaces until you reach the last one, just like we were previously doing, working 3 double crochet into each. All right, I've reached my last double crochet and the chains of a previous row. So what you will do is you will actually make a triple crochet, but you're going to be working into the previous chains. So the top of them. You can see that's created like a open space right here, and you have one over here, but you can see that it's sort of going in now. So my next row, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you're going to skip over this open space. You're only going to be working into the next one to start. 3 double crochet. And this next one, 3 double crochet. You will continue to make 3 double crochet in each open space until you reach the end of your row. All right, we've reached our last previous 3 doubles and then our triple. So we're going to make another triple, but you're going to be working into the top of that previous one. That's how things are looking so far. All right. And I'm going to continue my next row, doing my decrease. And this is how our square ends up looking from the side. You can see that the last row that we made now ends up looking like the first row that we made with those 2 open spaces and the 3 double crochet. Now, I personally think that it doesn't look finished at this point because of this point right here at the beginning where we started. So what I like to do, just to sort of give it a little polished off look, is I chain 1, turn, then I make a single crochet into this middle stitch of the previous 3 doubles. Then I slip stitch into this chain or this previous triple crochet over here. Then you would make 1 chain, turn your work again, then slip stitch into that previous single crochet. So then both of your yarn ends are going to be starting and ending at the exact same spot. And that is going to be how to make the corner to corner granny stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.